The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. You see it? Yeah, big up. Alright, so I have videos I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica went inside of a house that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Allegedly, it is said that they went to that premises searching for gun and allegedly for other things as well. It is said that they also went to that house because of someone who seems to be a person of interest to the police within the country of Jamaica. Now, I did not get any information as to what happened after the video stopped recording, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video had been recorded. However, in the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting, and you can also hear a certain amount of harsh language. All right? So you can take a look at this video and tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, people.
No, I'm not going in here. Nice, man. You understand if you come and search up people, no? But she hard working you, that's enough. Hard working you after my looking for this. Hard working you. That was tough work. I'm not gun. You're not gun. Watch the injustice, people. Watch the injustice. Yeah. You know hard in my work. You know hard in my work.
No, I left us to get it.
Him don't have no gun. When he keep gun, him not have none. Him not. I'm not lock the door. I'm not lock the door. You can't lock me out. Yeah, you can't lock me out of our place. Him not have nothing. Him not have no gun, brother. Him not have none. Him have to pity them out live for and I work for. What the bumper and start for quick. That's all the going to people community come do. Yeah. I'm killing out the innocent them. Mr. Red. Look how I pull up him room. No, man.
Whoa.
Look for no gun. Him not gun. This need justice. This justice. This need justice. Him not have nothing. People still want to go and do it. When still fuck you want to go and do. Innocent you.
John Monster.
What am I tell life for? Search them the place. Look for him and say, a gunman. When you can't look for him and say, I'm a gunman. When you can't do that. Watch this. Search on the place. Search on the place because I'm not going to find nothing.
Oh, it's up the nice all this time.
What officer? What officer? Officer. Him not a gun officer. What you want to do you, granny? If they are not, him granny, they are sick and they just come in, so upon him, sir.
John,
I'm gonna have a search warrant. Watch there, a search on the fucking place. Ah no, they can't find no gun. No warrant to no have and coming at people house and dig up people house. Yeah, what a gun there? What a gun there? Him not have no gun. No gun there. What I search for? We don't go search in vain. Cause nothing there.
watch it.
No, let us still get it.
Look how that you put. What this? You don't want to kill her for free. I'm glad to the media see what I go on. I'm glad to the media see what I go on. You must be taking a camera and kill him, but not today. Anywhere go there.
My people, I don't have no information as to what happened after this video I be recorded. And the thing about it is, no viewers and subscribers, I not jump to a conclusion no, when it comes down to a situation like this. So may I say, yeah, you see, if those persons are, if that person is innocent and the person house or the room gets searched like that, yeah, it really hard, you know. It really hard. As I say, trust me, it really hard that if the person innocent. Again, me not accuse nobody. Yes, I say, and I like me know anyone when me hear or see in the video. You understand my people about it, you know? But if me in a position like that, it's most frightening to me. I tell you the truth. Yes, I say, John, no, me not jump to no conclusion, my people. You know? Yeah, you not have to jump to no conclusion to your viewers and subscribers. Just to make you know what I go on because this video, they out there on social media. You don't know, but they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on, my people. You see? Yeah. But you can tell me what you think as well, alright? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is somewhat of a proof that driving trucks can be dangerous. Yeah, that's why I respect truck drivers, you know. Yeah man, I respect anyone who drive big unit vehicles. Yeah, straight up and down, you see. Anyways, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when the driver of a tractor used a tractor to try and balance the load in the back of a truck, because the load in the back of the truck became somewhat unbalanced. The load in the back of the truck was unbalanced to a point that if the driver of the truck tried to drive the truck would fall on one of its sides. The video had been recorded somewhere in the country of Jamaica. I just do not know exactly where in the country of Jamaica, and I do not know when the video had been recorded either. Now, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I want you to please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear a certain amount of harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me. Load na chop the high. And load did. Load did the What? Push it up, that's what I say. If the tractor can't do it, push. Seriously, I'm a joke. Watch out.
Never go on up with it.
Yo, around here, say man have to come, brother. What's the one? They're probably there, that boy.
You see that?
You can't look at that now. You can't look at that. You can't look at that.
Think leading on people, watch it. So you talk up on the side here.
Hey,
Watch it.
you know what I'm saying? Move ready. Where? I drop it, I drop the blood.
See, Chuck, go back, Chris. Chris, I hear a Chuck in the
Blood clot, bro.
Chris, I hear a Chuck in the Chris. Blood clot, yeah, Chris.
The tractor driver they got danger. So when we don't take off, sit them off the truck, make people take them off and take the load off of it. If you say load and balance.
Man, around here, say man to come.
I put up back down.
I better Chris go take it.
Mini take.
You better Chris go do say boy jump.
Who wear clothes, I got them blood clot, tell you say.
What is that? I was sitting there, but one chapter, the one chapter down there, so panic flat.
A serious situation with the people.
Around here, say Africa. Big way the sunshine pass in the tractor.
I want a serious situation that my people. See me? Me no totally understand what really and truly the whole thing is about. See, but me I wonder why whosoever won the truck or whosoever at that location not try to take the load off of the truck, take this them off of the thing. So me I say put on somewhere and carry the rest. So me I say me I'm not truck driver, you know. So me I say I don't know how the situation go. I don't know if I the company or what. You understand? But at that me I say. You understand? Take them off, man. But I know, I don't know. I wonder. That's my solution. I don't know if I wrong, but I saw me I look on it. See? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I saw a video that shows when the same truck became somewhat balanced to a point where the driver of the truck was able to drive the truck. You understand? Then, viewers and subscribers, I also saw another video that shows when a tractor was pinned between a truck and a banking of a roadway somewhere in the country of Jamaica because the load in the back of the truck caused the truck to lean or fell on one of its sides. And the reason why I said it like that now, viewers and subscribers, is because I cannot tell if the same tractor get pinned by the same truck that you see in the video that I just presented to you. I cannot tell. See, me only go by videos that I saw on social media. But on a real still, viewers and subscribers, overall, that video shows, or that video is somewhat of a proof that driving trucks can be dangerous, my people. See? Yeah, but you see, for me in the situation as the truck driver, I think I would have wanted to unload that load off that truck. See? But then again, viewers and subscribers, me don't understand the situation. Me don't know if a company truck or what. So me don't know what fully make them choose to try and rectify that situation in such a way. Yes, I may ask my people, but each to them one. You understand? Yes, so yes, I'm not going to leave it my people. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm going to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?